Because most of us are stuck at home at the moment, I wanted to share a few of my tried and tested quick and easy recipes. So I'm kicking this new series off with my favourite super fluffy pancakes. I hope you enjoy them. Okay, this recipe is not only really simple, but it makes these super fluffy pancakes. So if they are your jam, you're gonna love this one. I'll link the recipe in the description box below, but this is all you need, which I'm sure most of you guys will have in your pantry because they're pretty much pantry staples anyway. So let's get started. I'm just starting off by sifting the flour, and this is actually really important. Don't skip this stage. If you want your pancakes to be extra fluffy, everything needs to be sifted. That's part of the trick in making them super puffy and fluffy. So what I'm doing here is I'm just sifting all of the dry ingredients. So that's the flour, the protein powder, the baking powder, and sugar, and a pinch of salt. I really do find that sifting all of the dry ingredients helps to fluff up the pancakes. So I just put those dry ingredients to the side, and with another fresh bowl I crack my egg. And again, this is another tip to making sure that the pancakes are super fluffy, is actually beating that egg and making sure that it is really mixed up well and aerated. And that was the vanilla extract going in, and the milk, which I'm using Almond Breeze vanilla milk for this one. And then it's as simple as just adding the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And another key here is not mixing the wet and dry ingredients too much. You really don't want to overmix the batter, you just want to combine it. And then it's time to scoop spoonfuls into a medium to hot pan. And you'll be able to tell when they're cooked because they start to bubble up, and as you can see they puff up in the pan here, and you know that they are ready. I like to stack mine up and drizzle them with maple syrup. I've added a little bit of Greek yogurt here, some fresh blueberries, but you can top them with whatever takes your fancy. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little quick and easy recipe of mine. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh.